Why not try these exercises to last longer in bed? Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. The more you can hold, the more pleasure you get and can give. It also gives you a greater sense of control. This may aid all parties in having satisfying mating and orgasm. So let me show you some physical exercises that can help you with that. Number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups aren't only for fitness enthusiasts. They not only help you build core and upper body strength, but also help you increase your endurance, maintain more vigorous thrusts, and ensure you can hold your position for long periods. That's why this is undoubtedly one of the most popular exercises for staying in bed longer. If you've never done push-ups before, start with 3 sets of 10 reps and gradually increase the number of sets to your liking. Number 2. Interval sprinting. Running out of breath while in the act will be highly disappointing for your partner and extremely embarrassing for you. You might have just focused on strength training. Still, you will need good cardiovascular endurance to last long and make your partner reach orgasm. Interval sprinting can help you increase your energy levels and ensure you can give your partner a satisfying performance. Sprint for approximately 20 seconds and then rest for about 10 seconds. For best results, repeat at least 8 times. Number 3. Planks. If you and your partner enjoy trying out new positions during your sexual encounters, your core strength cannot be forgotten. You'll impress your woman with your increased stamina and endurance if you do 3 sets of planks per day. It will also help you protect your back from injury. When holding a plank seems impossible, remind yourself that this is bed strength training. That should be enough to keep you going. Number 4. Squats. Squats are excellent for men because they target the muscle group that is most active during intercourse. Squats have numerous advantages, including increased blood circulation to the pelvic area, increased testosterone levels, strengthening the lower body for stronger thrusts, and intense orgasms. That's not all. Having strong lower body muscles would give you the confidence to try new positions. If you always wanted to take her while standing upright, but weren't sure if your body could handle it, begin doing squats and notice the difference. Try doing at least 15 squat reps per day. Number 5. Swimming. Harvard researchers say swimmers in their 60s had better sexual endurance than non-swimmers in their 40s. This is because swimming improves your endurance and helps you lose weight. When you lose weight, your energy level rises, and your sexual function improves. Push yourself to complete as many laps as possible, and increase that number consistently to see effective results. Exercises for better bed performance are not always sweaty. It could also be refreshing like this. Number 6. Skipping. Skipping should be a regular part of your exercise routine if you want to relieve stress and increase your libido. It's one of the most effective exercises for improving bed performance. It improves mood by releasing endorphins and relieves stress. It also increases blood flow to the genitals and makes you more agile. All of the health benefits of skipping will undoubtedly assist you in meeting your partner's needs.